Good morning, all of you. Once again, welcome. Right. So, in our previous lecture, we had done some introduction part, right? Some introduction part and definition of incompatibility, right? And we also saw the physical incompatibilities, right? This portion we have already completed in our previous lecture, right? That is insolubility, precipitation. Okay. Then after that, this is the fourth example of physical incompatibility, that is liquefaction, right? Or reason, fourth reason, due to liquefaction there is a chances of occurring physical incompatibilities, like there is a change in appearance, taste, odors, right? That is the physical incompatibility. Liquefaction, it means that solid become liquid after come in contact with temperature or humidity, right? Whenever the solid means liquefaction happening in those solid which has tendency to convert into liquid after contact with the temperature or humidity, right? So there is one definition of substance mixture, that is eutectic mixture, when it is a result of mixing two low melting point solid together will get a liquid or soft mass, right? Eutectic mixture is at that particular mixture which contain a two type of low melting point substance, right? Means eutectic mixture is a result of when we mix lower melting point solid, two lower melting points of solid together, that time we will get a liquid or soft mass. Liquid or soft mass, that is the definition of eutectic mixture, right? It is happen due to lowering the melting point of mixture at lower below room temperature, and this liquefaction or soft mass occur due to the reason of that particular mixture if lowering the melting point of if lowering the room temperature, that time the lower melting point of mixture become liquid or soft mass, right? This can be stable at room temperature or normal humidity, okay? But this kind of mixture we can stably kept into at room temperature and normal humidity, right? Room temperature is a 25 degrees centigrade, right? This is our room temperature, but this compound will release their water under increasing temperature or decreasing humidity, okay? Means we know that is the eutectic mixture if we kept in a room temperature or normal humidity, that become stable, right? But in case of increasing the temperature, and decreasing the temperature, that time also the eutectic mixture release out their water, means it's become liquid or soft mass, right? This is the also type of physical incompatibilities, right? Then our next type of incompatibility, that is chemical incompatibility, right? Chemical incompatibility. Then chemical incompatibility, let's start with the definition. Let's say it is a result of chemical interaction between ingredient of preparation and may form toxic or inactive preparation, right? It is a result of chemical interaction between ingredient of preparation and may form toxic or inactive preparation. Hence, during prescribing prescription care should be taken to prevent the formation of harmful product, right? Means chemical incompatibility means it is a result, right? It is a result of chemical interaction. When we prepare any kind of formulation or preparation, it need a various kind of ingredient, right? Like excipients and active drug, right? Excipients such as for the tablet, that is diluents, binders, right? Then any other flavoring agent and sweetening agent, suspending agent. Okay, so various kind of ingredient we have to need for preparing the any kind of preparation, right? That chemical interaction happen in which these ingredient, right? This ingredient, that is chemical interaction. That's why due to chemical interaction between the ingredients of preparation, there is a chances of forming toxic or inactive preparation. Means in simple, if the interaction or chemical reaction happen between the ingredient of preparation, that time we may call there is a happening of chemical incompatibility or chemical interaction, right? That's why it is a responsibility of doctor as well as pharmacist. Care should be taken in order to prevent the formation of harmful product, right? In order to prevent the formation of harmful product, right? Hence it is become necessary to find out the chemical incompatibility and solve it, right? Then there is a reason, there is some kind of reason due to that the chemical incompatibility occurred. So there is three reasons due to this the chemical reaction happening. First is oxidation and reduction, then second is acid base hydrolysis, and third is combination reaction. Okay, combination reaction. This is the three reason of chemical incompatibility, right? Then we can notice this reaction by, okay, we can notice or find out by using this reason. We can easily find out the whether it is chemical incompatibility or any kind of incompatibility, right? By using this we can easily find out the chemical incompatibility, right? That is the precipitation, then effervescence, decomposition, color change, right? Color change, decomposition, effervescence and precipitation. If the precipitation occurring in preparation, right, that time we can conclude that that particular preparation falls in chemical incompatibility or occur chemical incompatibility. Or effervescence, by observing the effervescence. Effervescence means removal of carbon dioxide bubbles or gas. If carbon dioxide removed out from the preparation, that time we find out that particular preparation having chemical incompatibility. Or by decomposition, that is degradation, the degradation occur between the excipients or ingredients of preparation. Then if color changes, by observing the color changes of preparation we can find out the chemical incompatibility. So hence it is a very necessary, when prescription have a chemical incompatibility, should be dispensed after correction of correction by doctor, right? Doctor or pharmacist. If hence it is become very necessary, that is if any kind of chemical incompatibility find out in a prescription, then before prescribing or before sending, it is the duty of pharmacist or doctor to correct out properly, right? Before dispensing. Okay, then there is some type of incompatibilities, right? Type of chemical incompatibility, that is tolerated and adjusted. This is the type of incompatibility, chemical incompatibility. Okay, tolerated and adjusted. Then tolerated chemical incompatibility, we can minimize chemical interaction by changing order of mixing but no alteration made in formulation. Okay, if our preparation has a tolerated chemical incompatibility, okay, that time we can easily minimize this chemical incompatibility, that is chemical interaction, by changing the order of mixing. Means during the formulation of preparation, the order of mixing of ingredient, if we can change this order of mixing of ingredient, that time we can easily minimize the tolerated chemical incompatibility, but no alteration made in formulation. But there is a do not change in any kind of ingredient, or does not replace the any kind of ingredient, right? Without replacing or without altering in the ingredient of formulation, we can minimize the tolerated incompatibility. Okay, adjusted chemical incompatibility means adjusted chemical incompatibility, in which in this kind of incompatibility chemical interaction prevented by altering on reacting ingredient with another. Okay, means if adjusted chemical incompatibility happen, that time we can replace the reacting ingredient with another सेम इंग्रेडिएंट. ओके, सपोज करो अभी एक प्रिपरेशन है, उसमें बाइंडर है देन डाइल्यूएंट है, ठीक है, बाइंडर और डाइल्यूएंट के बीच में रिएक्शन हो रहा है, तो मतलब कौन सा हो रहा है, केमिकल इनकम्पेटेबिलिटी हो रहा है. ओके, देन हमें पता चला है कि वो एडजस्टेड है, देन हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वो जो बाइंडर से उसे दूसरे बाइंडर से रिप्लेस कर देंगे, ठीक है, तब जाकर क्या होगा, जो केमिकल इनकम्पेटेबिलिटी है वो सॉल्व हो जाएगा. इसलिए यहाँ पे बोला है दिस इज द adjusted chemical incompatibility. Okay, then there is some other type of chemical incompatibility, that is intentional or unintentional. First is intentional. Intentional means जानबूझ के, और unintentional means accidentally. Okay, so intentional, when doctor intentionally prescribed incompatible drug, means doctor already know that particular drug is incompatible, particular prescribed drug is incompatible, that is intentionally, means they have already known it. Okay, unintentionally means when doctor not know that prescription contain incompatible drug, means by accidentally doctor prescribe the incompatible drug in prescription, that is unintentionally, that is accidentally, डॉक्टर को पता नहीं, गलती से उन्होंने इनकम्पैटिबल ड्रग प्रिस्क्राइब कर दिया. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द ऑल्सो अनदर टाइप ऑफ इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी, दैट इज इंटेंशनल एंड unintentional. Then there is some example of chemical incompatibility, as like as already we have seen in our physical incompatibility, like this. Also there is some chemical incompatibilities like alkyl incompatibilities, soluble salicylate incompatibilities, soluble in iodide incompatibilities, then causing evolution of CO2 gases incompatibility. So this is the some example of chemical incompatibility. Then our third type of incompatibility, that is therapeutic incompatibility. Okay, therapeutic incompatibility. Therapeutic incompatibility define: it is a result of prescribing a drug by a doctor to patient with the intention to produce a pharmacological action, but they do not produce it. Okay, means doctor intentionally written a prescription, right? That particular the prescribed drug will show a pharmacological action, right? But if that particular drug fail to produce that pharmacological action, that time we called as the therapeutic, there is a happening of therapeutic